So hi guys, my name is Ankit. I'm a growth marketer and marketing automation expert, and in this video I will help you to solve an error called I cannot create a form in Mautic. So let's begin. So I have seen a lot of people having trouble creating the forms in newly installed Mautic, and the real problem is after clicking on new button the window will keeps on loading, and after a wait for some time, as you can see, nothing happens. So identify the problem and check the error. Just click on your just to inspect on your browser window. Click on network tab, uh, and you have to click on new button on your Mautic. So you will see the error code 500. Now go to Mautic settings to check the error log, and you will see the detailed error log. To solve this error, simply log in to your cPanel. As I hosted my Mautic on Linux shared hosting on Namecheap, now this is the cPanel. Now you have to search for PHP, select PHP version, and you have to find the extension called intl PHP extension, and you have to enable the extension. So my extension is enabled. Now go back to your Mautic and refresh your screen and try to create a new form. Click on new. Now you can see that your Mautic cannot create a form problem is solved. So that's it guys. Feel free to ask me if you have any queries in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as I will share and post more videos on marketing automation and growth hacking. Thank you very much and have a great day.